Now we are going to start our another article, that is extrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor. Write down. In this type of semiconductor, I can say a doped semiconductor. A doped semiconductor. Right here, a doped semiconductor or a semiconductor with a suitable impurity atom added to an intrinsic semiconductor, we will get extrinsic semiconductor. So we have to add impurity atom. Extrinsic semiconductors are of two types: N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductors are of two types, that is N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. Now first we are going to see N-type semiconductor here. When a pure semiconductor, say of silicon, pure semiconductor, say of silicon, in which we know that in an outermost orbit of silicon electronic configuration 4 electrons are there. So when a pure semiconductor silicon, in which silicon or germanium atom, in both 4 valence electrons are there. So here we are going to add, it is doped with a control amount of pentavalent atoms. Pentavalent atoms. Pentavalent atoms are those atoms which have 5 electrons in their outermost orbit. Say like that of arsenic, phosphorus, antimony, bismuth. Any of them you can add in this silicon type semiconductor or germanium type semiconductor. Then what happened? It has a 4 valence electron and it has a 5 valence electron. So 4 valence electron outermost orbit पे, so they have to make 4 covalent bond. Arsenic atom, each electron of arsenic atom, here you see that arsenic atom making covalent of adjoint 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 adjoint silicon atom से 4 covalent bond बना लेगा and 1 electron is free. 4 से 4 बन गया, but 1 electron is free here and that electron is here. So in every atom of arsenic we are getting 1 extra electron. 4 से 4 covalent bond बन गए. So I can say with this figure, dear children, the 4 of the 5 valence electron, the 4 of the 5 valence electron of arsenic will form covalent bond by sharing the electron with the 4 adjoining silicon atoms. With the 5th electron is loosely bound. 5th electron here, it is loosely bound, we can say, with the parent impurity atom, and it is free to move. So लिखो 5th electron is free to move in this crystal structure because the force of attraction between the electron and nucleus of the donor atom, the donor atom arsenic, becomes very small. So the binding energy of the electron becomes, the binding energy of electron becomes only 0.045 electron volt. The binding energy of an electron here, which is free, is only 0.045 electron volt. So each impurity atom added donates 1 free electron. Each impurity atom of arsenic provides us 1 free electron every time. So impurity atom which donates free electron, लिखो the impurity atom, इस डायग्राम को बना लीजिए पहले. It's a very important diagram. Here you can see 1 2 1 2 1 2, ये 4 covalent bond बन गए यहाँ पर. So I can say, my dear children, the impurity atom which donates free electron, the impurity atom which donate, the impurity atom which donate free electrons for conduction, free electrons for conduction. Here the impurity atom which donates free electron for conduction is called donor atoms. Is called donor atoms. Here it is arsenic. Here it is arsenic. It is the donor atoms. So the conduction of electricity is due to the motion of electrons in this type of semiconductor. So conduction of electricity is due to the electrons, or we can say negative charge. Electron is a negative charge, or negative charge, or n-type carriers. The resulting semiconductor is called donor type or n-type semiconductor. So this type of semiconductor is called donor type semiconductor or n-type semiconductor, because every time it donates electron. So on giving up this fifth electron, the donor atom becomes positively charged. जब ये हमको पांचवा इलेक्ट्रॉन देता है, तो this arsenic atom will become positively charged. Here, As plus लिख दीजिए इसको. But matter remains electrically neutral, so the extra electron of the donor atom orbits around the donor nucleus, and it has been found that the binding energy for this electron is only 0.045 electron volt. It is very less. It is very less energy here. It is required to remove the electron from the impurity atom. Impurity atom से अगर ये electron को लेना है, थोड़ा सा electric field लगाएंगे, तो electron will become free. This electron will become free here from this impurity atom and make a free electron. Okay, so draw this figure. Now, so dear children, write down at room temperature. अगर room temperature पर n-type semiconductor पड़ा हुआ है, तो at room temperature covalent bond may get disturbed, producing free electrons and equal number of holes in the n-type semiconductor. But in n-type semiconductor, the number of electrons is very large, because every impurity atom gives us extra electron. Number of electrons is very large. This is called majority charge carrier. This is called majority charge carrier here. However, the number of holes are very small. Is very small. So these are called minority charge carrier. लिखिए important line. In this type semiconductor, we are having only majority charge carriers electron. Due to this, conduction is possible. The total number of holes in n-type semiconductor is very small. So we can say majority charge carrier is electron and minority charge carrier is holes. लिख लो ये. Majority charge carrier is electrons and minority charge carrier is electrons. If I want to draw an energy band diagram of n-type semiconductor here, you see that Here the energy band diagram, here is valence band and upper band is conduction band. कंडक्शन बैंड से ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है यहाँ पर रूम टेम्परेचर पर यहां से यहां शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. जस्ट बिलो द कंडक्शन बैंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कम्स हियर and remaining here it is all only. Here it is all. Electrons are here. तो ये जो स्टेट है जहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ गए हैं ये कहलाती है बच्चों डोनर. दिस इज कॉल्ड डोनर एनर्जी स्टेट. और here only required 0.05 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एनर्जी. इतनी सी एनर्जी चाहिए. So you can see the energy band diagram of such type of semiconductor where the donor energy states are here. Energy of the free electrons are slightly less the energy of the free electron. You can see it is the lowest energy level of conduction band से थोड़ा सा नीचे तक इलेक्ट्रॉन पहुंच चुके हैं. बिना किसी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के इतने ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाते हैं. तो we can say here और ये जो स्टेट है ये कहलाता है डोनर एनर्जी स्टेट्स बिटवीन द वैलेंस बैंड एंड कंडक्शन बैंड. तो डोनर एनर्जी स्टेट occurs in between the valence band and conduction band. Draw this diagram. Then my dear children, I can say here when we had this pentavalent impurity in a pure semiconductor, when we add pentavalent impurity in a pure semiconductor, then this Fermi level or forbidden gas shift very close to the conduction band. You can see here जो हमारा Fermi level है, जो हमारा energy state है, that comes very close to the conduction band, as we can see here. अगर डोपिंग बहुत ज्यादा कर दें, डोपिंग इज वेरी लार्ज, तो ये जो डोनर एनर्जी स्टेट है ये पूरा पूरा शिफ्ट हो जाता है कंडक्शन बैंड में और इजीली कंडक्शन पॉसिबल हो जाता है. देन इजीली कंडक्शन इज पॉसिबल. ओके, तो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट. तो वेरी स्मॉल एनर्जी सप्लाइड है. अगर हम थोड़ी सी एनर्जी दें एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर को तो this electron shift to the conduction band or easily current can be flow. तो लिख लो लास्ट लाइन. In conclusion, a very small energy supplied can excite the electron from donor energy state. Can excite the electron from donor energy state, यहां से from donor energy state and goes to conduction band and conductivity increases remarkably So this is all about n-type semiconductor. Now, अब बच्चों we are talking about p-type semiconductor. Now we are talking about p-type semiconductor here. Again we are drawing a crystal structure. This time we are drawing a crystal structure of germanium. Here it is germanium. I know very well in germanium also in an outermost orbit 4 electrons are there. अब देखते हैं हम यहाँ कौन सा एटम ऐड करेंगे. Yes, मुश्ताक अहमद, मोहम्मद जुनैद.
यस सर.
बंद करो बेटा, ये म्यूट करो. Yes. Listen very carefully. You are so late. Now, बच्चों in n-type semiconductor, when a pure semiconductor, like that of germanium, in which 4 valence electrons are there, in which a pure semiconductor germanium in which 4 electrons are there, then it is docked with a control amount of trivalent impurity atom. It is docked with an trivalent impurity atom. Trivalent impurity atom means in the outermost orbit of that atom, 3 electrons are there only. Here the 3 electrons are there only in the trivalent impurity atom. Trivalent impurity atom examples are indium, boron, aluminium. So suppose we are adding here indium. ये indium को add कर दिया हमने. What happens here? In indium there are 3 valence electrons that will replace the germanium, as you can see in this figure. जैसे हमने डॉट किया है, impurity मिलाई, that will replace the germanium here. Then what happened? The 3 valence electron of impurity atom makes 3 covalent bond. 3 covalent bond here you can see. एक मान लीजिए ये, एक ये और एक ये with this adjoint germanium atom. 3 atoms, 3 impurity, 3 outermost orbit electrons of trivalent impurity atom makes 3 covalent bond here, but यहाँ पर नहीं बन रहा है. The 3 valence electron of impurity atom will form covalent bond by sharing the electron of adjoining germanium atom. Adjoining germanium atom you can see here, where there will be one incomplete bond. ये यहाँ तो इलेक्ट्रॉन है लेकिन यहाँ खाली स्थान पड़ा हुआ है. It is incomplete bond. Here you can say it is an incomplete bond with a neighboring germanium atom due to the deficiency of electron. Due to the deficiency of electrons. So every time we are getting holes here. So this deficiency is completed by taking an electron, one from germanium bond, दूसरी जगह से लेगा. तो what happened? जब अगर यहाँ से इसने लिया, तो यहाँ जगह खाली हो जाएगी. यहाँ से लिया, आगे जगह खाली हो जाएगी. Every time we are getting empty space. So in this p-type semiconductor, every time we are getting holes. Holes are the majority charge carrier. Holes are the majority charge carriers in p-type semiconductor. लिखो, holes are the majority charge carrier in the p-type semiconductor, and electrons are minority charge carriers in p-type semiconductor. So in this p-type semiconductor, holes are majority charge carrier. So what happened here, children? जब every time we are getting holes here, electrons ये यहाँ से लेगा, तो क्या बनेगा? Indium germanium bond बनेगा. Then it takes electrons from adjoining germanium atom, then indium germanium bond, then indium ionized negatively charged. Then लिखो indium ionized negatively charged. Because it is taking electron and create, जैसे ही यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा. अगर यहाँ बन गया तो hole creates here. So electron moving from germanium bond to fill this hole, and every time it leaves, जैसे ही वो इलेक्ट्रॉन वहां से कूद के आगे जाएगा तो पीछे होल क्रिएट हो जाएगा. Hole will create backside. So holes move in the semiconductor structure. So at this time it is negatively charged तो इंडियम एटम जो है यहाँ पर इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सेप्टर एटम, क्योंकि every time it takes electron from the adjoining German atom. So this indium here it is called acceptor atom. देखो, the trivalent impurity atom here it is called acceptor atom. And the conduction of electricity occurs, and the conduction of electricity occurs due to the motion of holes. Conduction of electricity occurs due to the motion of holes. Or positive charge or p type. So this is called positive type semiconductor or p type semiconductor or acceptor type semiconductor. कुछ भी नाम आ जाए एग्जाम में तो you know that acceptor type, positive type or p type semiconductor. So resulting semiconductor is called acceptor type. But at room temperature, some of the covalent bond may be break, resulting equal numbers of holes and electrons, but the total number of holes is comparatively electron is very large. So p-type semiconductor, electrons are minority carriers. In a p-type semiconductor, electrons are minority carriers and holes are majority charge carrier. And holes are majority charge carrier, as you can see here. Every time we getting hole here. If I want to draw an energy band diagram here, see the energy band diagram. Here is the valence band. Here is the conduction band. Just above the valence band, we are getting acceptor energy state here. Here. The energy of it is around 0.04 electron volt. This state is called acceptor energy state. Draw this diagram. This is the conduction band. Here is a very small number of electrons. And here, some of the electrons reach to this acceptor energy state and holes will occur here. Here is the holes. Holes are majority charge carrier here. Now, what we observe here, in between the valence band and conduction band, here is an acceptor energy level. The Fermi level in the forbidden gap shift very close to the valence band. ये जो energy state है, it is very close to the valence band. Doping is very large, then this energy state may come into the valence band. So here, the current conduction is only and only due to the holes. Here, लिख लो यहाँ पर, when we add impurity atom, लिखो, when we add impurity atom in a pure germanium semiconductor, when we add impurity atom in a pure germanium semiconductor, the Fermi level in forbidden gap shift very close to the conduction band. Shifts very close to the conduction band. Here. तो बच्चों, in conclusion लिखिए, in conclusion, at room temperature, in conclusion, at room temperature, here the electrons from the valence band are easily transferred to this acceptor energy level. यहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां आ जाते हैं at room temperature पर, and they produce a large number of holes in the valence band. जैसे रूम टेम्परेचर पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्सेप्टर एनर्जी लेवल्स में आ गए, तो holes, a large number of holes occurs here in the valence band. So we can say valence band, देखो, the valence band is a hole conducting band. It's an hole conducting band. Valence band is a hole conducting band. जैसे ही यहां पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लगाओगे, holes will act as a carriers of current. As soon as you apply the electric field on this p-type semiconductor, due to the movement of holes, current flows. Holes as a majority charge carrier, or we can say current carrier. It is called current carrier. Due to this, the p-type semiconductor increases its electrical conductivity very high. Electrical conductivity very high, and that we can use in our electronic devices. So this is there in p-type and n-type semiconductor. So what we observe here, in a dot semiconductor of p-type semiconductor or n-type semiconductor, I can write in a dot semiconductor the number density of electrons and number density of holes. In a dot semiconductor, we show here number density of electrons and holes are not equal. In the n-type semiconductor, electrons are large, holes are less. In p-type semiconductor, holes are large and electrons are less. So that is equal to Ni square. ये यहाँ याद रखिएगा. Ne is the number density of electrons, Nh is the number density of holes, and Ni is the number density of intrinsic carriers. Number density of intrinsic carriers. Here. बच्चों, we know very well in n-type semiconductor हमने अभी भी पढ़ा, number density of electron is very large. The number density of electron is equal to number density of donor atoms in n-type semiconductor, and it is very large compared to that of number of holes. Write down for n-type semiconductor, number density of electron कितना होगा, जितने डोनर एटम्स होंगे, that is equal to the number density of donor atoms, and it is very large to that of number density of holes. So number of electrons is very greater than to that of number of holes. यह ध्यान रखिएगा आप in n-type semiconductor, while that of in a p-type semiconductor, number density of holes in a p-type semiconductor, number density of holes is nearly equal to the number density of acceptor atoms. A number density of acceptor atom, and it is very much greater than to that of number of electrons. This is the result here. And A is the number density of acceptor atom, and D is the number density of donor atoms. जितना आप ऐड करोगे इम्प्योरिटी एटम, उतने ही ज्यादा होल्स और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्रिएट होंगे और कंडक्शन इज पॉसिबल. ओके, डियर चिल्ड्रन, this is all about today's module. If it is any problem, then ask. Write down. Okay, we will go continue in our next module. Send me attendance.
Yes, sir.
As I told you earlier, be regular in class. Bye.